You searched how to buy shares of Seaport Entertainment Group In. The company operates in the live entertainment sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SEG. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering on eToro, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker SEG to find the listing. Select the result that matches Seaport Entertainment Group In to ensure it is the correct share. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name in NASDAQ listing to verify you are looking at the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review order details such as market or limit settings before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your eToro portfolio for monitoring and management. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same walkthrough.